my name is Akanksha Saxena and I'm a sophomore at Desert Mountain High School. MIT Launch incubates ingenuity, building, and leadership, all skills that have played a central role in my life. As a young girl, my tastes were always slightly different than those of my friends. I would spend my free time making rainbow origami bracelets that I would sell to my classmates for a quarter each during recess. As a 10-year-old, I taught myself HTML and coded up a biographical website for my favorite cartoon character, Clifford the Big Red Dog. As a 12-year-old, I began organizing educational programs for abandoned female children in India, using my broken Hindi to teach them math and English. By age 14, I founded a mathematical talent development committee at my high school in order to promote math amongst younger students. Our events were so successful that Fox News and CNN sent reporters to interview us. Don't worry, I think I've gotten all the public speaking jitters out of the way now. And by the time I turned 15, I created an educational 501c3 nonprofit called Literacy Spree in order to further my goal of educating underprivileged students, and had become the youngest intern at Arizona State University's Electrical Engineering Lab. If someone asked me to describe myself, I would say that my endeavors require me to show ingenuity, passion for creating, and leadership. Being accepted into the MIT Launch community would allow me to further develop my skills and help me begin my metamorphosis into a future entrepreneur.